Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. So in the previous video we discussed 50 MCQs. So in this video we will discuss the remaining 50 MCQs. So the 51st MCQs is how many countries there are in Asia. So there are total 48 countries in the Asia. So option A is correct one. A horse runs around a ground twice and covers a distance of 8 km. One side of square ground is 1 km. Option B is correct one. Who among the following invented bifocal spectacles and lightning rod? So Benjamin Franklin. B option is correct one. Which gas field among the following is the second largest gas field in Pakistan, which is being operated by OGDCL? So it is Qadirpur gas field. Option C is correct one. Mars, neither of Earth has natural satellite. Two natural satellite. Option A is correct one. Max Planck won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for the discovery of energy quantum. B option is correct one. Which among the following instrument is used to measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a set period of time? So it is rain gauge. Option B is correct one. Parsec is a unit used to measure distance. C option is correct one. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between sun and earth. Option B is correct one. A camera used convex lens to form an image which is real inverted dimension. B option is correct one. When NaHCO3 is heated, it produces carbon dioxide. Option A is correct one. Stoma found in the epidermis of leaves closes when guard cells lose water. Option B is correct one. Iron and steel structures are damaged by sulfur dioxide. B option is correct one. Inflammation of liver is caused by hepatitis. B option is correct one. Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in 2015. B option is correct one. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED, also known as RIO Summit, was held in 1992. Option C is correct one. What is the speed of sound in ear? The speed of sound in ear is 1235. B option is correct one. Enzymes are basically made of protein. Option D is correct one. What is the lifespan of red blood cell? So it is 120 days. Option C is correct one. What is the percentage of water present in our brain? So it is 73. Option D is correct one. In order to make nitrogen available to primary producer like plants and ecosystem, it is converted into ammonia. Option C is correct one. Parthenocarpy is the production of fruit which make the fruit seedless. Option B is correct one. The World Day to combat desertification and drought in the United Nations is observed on 17 June. Option A is correct one. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to 680 MB. Option B is correct one. Dengue is caused by which type of mosquito? Aedes. C option is correct one. Which tube among the following joins kidney and bladder? Ureter. B option is correct one. Edward Jenner successfully developed world's first vaccine in 1796. Option A is correct one. A pancreatic juice which aids digestion is secreted into duodenum. B option is correct one. Who among the following transmitted first radio signal through air? Marconi. Option B is correct one. High-tech exports of Pakistan stands at none of the above. Option D is correct one. Who among the following Prime Minister of Pakistan secured Gwadar from Oman? Feroz Khan Noon. Option A is correct one. Villi are small finger-like structure in the small intestine. Option B is correct one. Yeast is essential in making of bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Option A is correct one. Kartarpur corridor links which Gurdwara to India. So it is Darbar Sahib. Option B is correct one. Pakistan being Alma Ata's signatory in 1987 launched the National Program for Family Planning and Primary Health in 1994. Option A is correct one. After fertilization, a fruit develops from which part of the plant ovary? C option is correct one. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. B option is correct one. The largest famine hit Ethiopia in um, it is 1980. Option A is correct one. Sorry, 1983. Option B is correct one. The medians of a triangle cut each other in the ratio 2:1. Option C is correct one. Who among the following was the longest serving chairman of Senate? Wasim Sajjad. Option B is correct one. Which among the following is responsible for the clotting of the world? Platelets. B option is correct one. Mastification is called the process of chewing. C option is correct one. At which temperature does bacteria die? So it is 212 Fahrenheit. D option is correct one. What is the color of oxyhemoglobin? Bright red. Option B is correct one. Uh, Pepsinogen is converted into stomach in pepsin. D option is correct one. Literacy rate in the Christian world is 7% compared to the literacy rate in Muslim world is 40%. B option is correct one. Pakistan population is what percent of the world population? So it is 2.8%. C option is correct one. Circumference of Earth is around uh, 40,075. C option is correct one. Indian Railways started operation in 1853. C option is correct one. What is the title of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam? Khalilullah. Option A is correct one.